Have all the money, cars, and fame in the world, but you have to sell your soul to the devil? Get a Lamborghini tomorrow, but you have to let the person who shows up when you click share and more have a ride every day? Have the ability to teleport anywhere in the world, but you cannot revisit the same places? Become a hero in the Marvel universe, but everyone you love is at high risk of danger? Meet your celebrity crush, but you lose your wedding finger? Travel and colonize on Mars, but you can never return to Earth? Subscribe.